Compatible, specifically designed for BRAUN coffee makers including KF7175, KF7150BK, KF7155BK and other drip models. Improves taste. When it comes to coffee, great taste starts with great water. This filter removes impurities, chlorine, odors, calcium others that interfere with taste and quality. Activated carbon, premium filters made with all natural coconut shells, finer granular activated charcoal to enhance the filtering process for better taste. GOLDTONE uses up to 30% more activated charcoal inside for longer use compared to other brands. Value, all the quality of BRAUN charcoal filters, for less. Easy to install and replace, the filter lets you enjoy pure, fresh brewed flavor at home. 1-year supply. These GOLDTONE replacement activated carbon water filters have a 1-month suggested life, giving you a 1-year supply. Top reviews from the United States. Economical replacement for the OEM product. I bought these to use in my recently purchased BRAUN multi-serve coffee maker. I can't really see or feel any difference between this filter and the one that was originally provided with the coffee maker. Just like the original, I rinsed the filter for a minute or so, then soaked it in warm water for about 15 minutes, followed by another rinse before installing it in the coffee maker. I appreciate the fact that these are individually wrapped, since obviously this package will take a year to use. I would definitely buy these again.